Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to suggest profile photos to your contacts on Telegram. Let's have a look. First, make sure you are using the latest Telegram app. Open Telegram app on your mobile phone. From chats, open the conversation to send profile photo suggestion. For iPhone, tap contact name on top, then tap edit button on top right. In Android phone, tap three dots available in the top right corner. Then tap edit contact. Then tap suggest photo for this contact. Select a picture from your photo gallery. When photo selected, tap blue tick on bottom right. Do you want to suggest this photo for this person for Telegram profile? Tap suggest. You suggested this photo for this profile. This photo will be sent in the Telegram chat as a suggestion. Now I would like to show you how to setting up a suggested profile photo on Telegram. Open the conversation from which you received a profile photo suggestion. Tap on the View Photo button available at the bottom of the suggested picture. Then hit Set Profile Photo. That's it. Profile photo updated. So these are the steps to suggest profile photos to your contacts on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.